Alright, what up, people? Doing some maintenance. So, I'm getting ready to show y'all. It's time to change out the shoes on the Novarossi Buggy clutch. You can see here, they're getting a little thin. Soon they're going to be hitting the springs that we don't want. So, I'm going to show y'all how this clutch comes apart and change the shoes. It's fairly simple. Now you can do this on the engine, but you still got to take this center nut out, and from there you might as well just take it off, clean off your seals and everything, and just put it back on. So, all right. So I'm gonna show you that, and also I'm gonna put some new clutch bearings in. Even though the ones that's in there, they haven't failed, but it's that time. Also, put on the new 13-tooth clutch bell. Nothing's wrong with this one. I feel like it got a little bit of grooves in it, but it's nothing wrong with it. But I like to change them when I change the shoes. It's like, say you're doing brakes on your car. If you put new rotors on, you should put new brake shoes on. So that's basically all this is. So I'm going to put a new clutch bell on there. Same 13-tooth, same one, just a new one. Alright. So, let's do some quick goodies. First, upper arms for the Buggy. I broke one, so I already had an extra. So once I use my extra, I always replace it. You know what I mean? Part number. The 81055. Also, mount up some tires. I got some more hole shots, but this time I went with the X3s softs. That's part number. The X3 is supposed to be a longer lasting tire, longer wear tire. A little bit harder compound than the super softs. So we're gonna see. All right, people. I'm gonna mount the camera up. Show you this Buggy clutch. First we want to do is we want to take this exhaust off. Take your exhaust springs out, because when we go back in we gotta block the piston. Get your exhaust springs loose. A little bit of wiggle off. I don't want to tear the gasket. Alright, so that's out. Looking good, baby. Looking good. Alright. Next thing we want to do, still got the screw in the center. Take that off. Remove your shims, any shims you used there. Keep my stack up together. Alright. I think there's one more, but that'll come off with the when we take the nut off. Alright. On the Buggy clutch, the Novarossi Buggy clutch, it's a 8mm. Alright, channel locks or something. Again, you can wrap paper towel or something around your flywheel if you don't want to damage it or scar it. I'm not too concerned about this flywheel, so I'm alright. Just need something to bite down on there. Alright, something just to hold it. And off she goes. Cool. Alright. It's our other shim right there. Alright. Next, we're going to use our Huddy tool. Back that out. All the way out. See, there's a indentation at the crankshaft goes in there. Hopefully y'all can see that. Alright, slip it over there like that. Oops, sorry. Get that in that hole. Just like that. Hopefully y'all getting this on camera. Alright, tighten it down. So it is though. It's getting ready to pull on the flywheel. Hopefully y'all can see that. Alright. Then just crank down a little bit, you know. See, just like that. That's a better angle, right? All right. Then just crank it down, hold on. You're gonna hear it go snap. See that? Pulls it right off, just like that. Okay. From there, I like to clean everything off. Looks pretty good in there too. Get any kind of Loctite, you might have one there off and everything. Alright. Cool beans. Now, let's put this to the side, put that to the side, Alright. Let me see if I can zoom in. That way I'll get y'all really close to the clutch. See something here. Alright. That's pretty good. Okay, now to get this off is fairly simple. This top piece has to lift up a little bit and then you gotta turn, okay? What I use is these right here. They're about Nipexes. They're really good. So I kinda like get a grab onto like right there. Wiggle it up. Just like that. Alright, comes right out. Alright, and from there, your shoes come right off, just like that. And that's it, people. That's really it. Now, clean all this out best you can. Probably a toothbrush or something be better. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this off and then I'll be right back. Cleaned everything up best I could, you know. I wasn't trying to detail the thing, but get a little bit of that out of there too. Alright, so once you got your stuff all cleaned up, alright, got me some new shoes. I rock 2 aluminum, 2 composite. The springs I'm using is the 1.0s. They like mediums. Springs is good. I'm not gonna change the springs, but you see, hopefully you can see them springs. They kind of curve down. Actually, these aluminums still look good, but that's alright. We're changing everything. So take your springs off, just like that. Oh yeah, man. All right, just like that. So what we're gonna do is, you see, notice there's 3 holes. The holes that you use is this last one here. Okay, so the spring just basically goes, see the curved end, like that. That curved end was in there like that, just like that. Okay, 3rd hole. Now see that? Then remember the clutch is going this way, so we gotta, so the shoes are fling out that way, so we're going this way. Okay, just like that. Lay them in there just like that. See that? Alright, now, so basically it's gonna be 1 composite, 1 aluminum, 1 composite, 1 aluminum. I take aluminum, same deal, baby. Get in that groove of the shoe. Oops. Third hole, boom. All the way around. Alright. See that? Alright, now what you want to do is, this is where it gets a little tricky, but it's not hard. Alright, so you're going to put this in. You don't put it where it's about to line up to your pins. You got to do it kind of cocked a little bit. Alright, so then push these in. Okay, you do it kind of cocked. Just get the pins that's sticking up just between there, but don't press all the way down. Not all the way down, because you got to turn it. Alright, so about a little bit up. Let me show you. See the side? See how it's a little up? It's not all the way up. Just a little up. Not all the way down. Just a little up. The reason being because now, once you get it, you hold your shoes and you got to turn this. Alright? And then it's going to lock. Then you turn it to where you lined up with your pins. Just like that. See that? See it's still up. Hopefully y'all can see that. It's still up. Pins. And then you press down. Just like that. It's going to snap into place. Then your shoes are all in there, baby. No problems. See that? Just like that. Okay. And what holds this in is the nut. The nut that you put in there. Just like that. Okay. Then just install everything back like it was normal. Here's another tip I like to do. I like to get the thread lock off these threads here. Usually I use a Dremel with a nylon wheel. Clean all that off. I'll show y'all that real quick. Now it's my Dremel. I got a nylon wheel on there. Alright. Sometimes I use the wire brush one. I gotta get a new one. I tore that one up, but just a nylon one. Put the Dremel on low, and you just, you know, I got a shim on there, and just clean off the threads. Just like that. Easy breezy. Make sure you put safety glasses on too, people. Alright. So then, that's it. Now, just put the clutch and everything back on just like you took it off. Alright, people. So this is your man, Rajay 111. See you on the next one. Peace.